Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to talk through how you can use the Steam cooking mode feature on the CS89. This is our flatbed combi model. We're really proud of this model. It is currently available in our online stores. Links are in the description below if you're interested. There are some offers running at the moment, so check that out if you're looking to purchase. So this model, Steam feature, really great feature, perfect for cooking healthier food, chicken breasts, fish, and in our case we're going to cook some lovely fresh vegetables that we've got here. A few things to bear in mind before you get started using the Steam function. There are a couple of things you need to set up first. The first one being making sure that we've got water in our water tank and your drip tray here is empty. So one thing to bear in mind, the microwave will stop automatically during cooking if it senses it's run out of water, and you will see a message flash up on the screen telling you to put water into your water tank before it can continue. So make sure you've got plenty of water and your drip tray is nice and empty. Just place that back on. So that's the water dealt with. Next up, accessories. There are a couple of key accessories that you're going to want to use when cooking with Steam. The first is the enamel tray. We're going to use that as the base because the Steam tray is going to sit on top of it like that. That's how we're going to use that, and then we're going to go into the middle shelf of the microwave. Make sure that's all nice and central and secure. Perfect. Now we're almost ready to go. There's a couple of different ways that you can cook using the Steam feature on this microwave. The first one is, of course, using the Steam button itself. When you press that, you get options. The first one is Steam 1. That's using maximum powered steam. The second option is a much lower powered steam. Once you're happy with which one you want, you can then change how long you're cooking for. In our case, we're going to use the auto cook mode. It's going to be a little bit easier because we're not entirely sure how long we want to cook these vegetables for. So we want the microwave to do the hard work for us, and we're going to use the fresh vegetables preset option in the auto cook mode, and it's going to do the rest for us. So going to the auto cook button, which is at the bottom right of the control panel, press it once, we get menu 4. We're going to go again for menu 5, which is fresh vegetables. Once we're happy with that, we're going to press the power button, and then it's going to flash up the weight of the food. Turns out it's our luck, we've got 200 grams of vegetables. When we're happy with that, it's actually going to come up with a message saying fill water tank, so it's even going to remind you then, just before you start cooking, to fill the water tank. Of course we have. So we're happy with 200 grams, we're happy with this mode. Now all we need to do is press the power button, and it's going to start there. It says 11 minutes. We're going to start steaming these vegetables to perfection, and we'll see you in a few minutes. And welcome back. 11 minutes have passed. This is all done now. You should see on the control panel when it's finished, it says add more time or open door. We're pretty happy that these are going to be done, so we're going to open the door. First things first though, make sure you use oven gloves, and the microwave and the interior obviously going to be hot. So let's have a look at our steamed vegetables. You can see there, I'm not sure if that showed, but the steam rising, that looks really great. Just take the steam tray out. There we go. Perfect. I'll close up. And there we have it. You can hear the fan still going in the microwave, but there we have perfect steamed vegetables ready to eat. Right, that looks pretty great. Please find out more about the CS89 on our online stores. If you're interested in purchasing, do check it out. And we do have offers running. All the details are in the links in the description below. You can find the right microwave for you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.